What are we doing?
Cleaning out the water tanks.
Alright, we've discovered little black particles in the water when the kids have been getting their soda stream bottles. When they fill up their soda stream bottles, there's little flakes through it. So, under further investigation, I've decided we'd change out the water filters, which hadn't been done for a while by the state and the smell of them. So that involved a lot of black flaky stuff. So we've now traced it back. That's one big water tank. So Beth's in there cleaning it up with a rag, wiping down the sides. And I'm going to flush some water from the other tanks on the other side through, because that goes through a filter, so it's not as bad as this. And we'll pump it out again and hopefully get the water maker going with the new filters and make some really clean water. And put some, maybe we might get some water clear in there or something, just to give the lines all a good flush out too.
Tasty water.
Yum yum. Do you want a drink of water?
This is our family. We decided to sell our house and buy a boat. Join us as we learn to sail and take this new adventure as a family.
Sell all our things and learn to say it. Sounds like the start of a good tale. Oh, life is short, the time we've got, so make the most of every stop. Where water meets the sky, Pacificae.
Tingkam Bay is a coastal town located within the Gympie region, Queensland. It's well known as a spot to see Australian humpback dolphins. We even had the pleasure of seeing these beautiful mammals ourselves. During our time here, we've enjoyed going to the local market and exploring the beaches, all the while renovating our boat.
Alright, we're just going to whip the floor into Star's room. We got these motors here, right, with this motor cover anyway, so you've got to step up to get in anyway, so we're just going to put a floor through and yeah, see how that goes. I've done the first panel here, something like that, and then we'll cut a slot in the top of the old engine cover to get to the oil dipstick and check your water. I'll show you that later, but yeah, I'm going to cut the rest of these panels and hopefully they all fit, and then we'll show you the end product. Alright, last panel of the floor in Star's room. We'll see if she fits in there, see how badly my measurements are. Just about sick of these stairs now. Alright, it goes in that way. So we've put in a little bit at the end there to stop things going through and stop the cats getting under the floor. Now let's see. Fits. Alright, so your floor's complete. So now we can pull it all out again, move all the stuff from Wyatt's room into here, because Wyatt's side of the boat's too heavy, which is the port side. So we'll move all the heavy stuff out of Wyatt's into here. Then we can fill Wyatt's up with toilet paper, because we've got 6 months worth of triple fly.
I'm moving all the food now.
But you could start if you wanted to. I reckon you can get some of these down the side.
On Friday, we left the 3 youngest kids to go shop for the last of the supplies we needed at Costco.
Thank you.
Not too far away.
No worries, thank you.
Got our drinks. Duh. Yummy food for my tummy. We're at Costco. Something in my eye. Oh. Yeah. We're finished shopping at Costco. Just gonna put the leftovers in the tractor from the trolley into the car. After Costco, we went to another shop to buy a sewing machine.
Just trying to pick a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, I think that's a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, must be a sewing machine.
Mm.
It's an Elna sewing machine. We're just tossing it between the Elna and the Singer. Mum wants the Singer because it's got buttons to play with and it's got an automatic threader because Mum's getting old and can't see anymore.
Oh, no. After much debating, we decided to get the Singer sewing machine. So our mattresses arrived in the mail and we are opening the box with the mattress in it. Come on, Laura, let's do this. Okay. I think, no, wait.
I bought you something, hundreds.
That's...
Not yours.
Not your one.
Say what now?
This is
On it. Get that roll back up.
Get it out, move.
You might want to be quick. Alright, this one.
Okay, let's see Rora's bed.
Whereas one went in.
Oh, one went in.
oh, wonderful.
Only one more to go.
Like sleeping on it.
So my mattress doesn't quite fit. Shh, I'm talking.
Sorry.
Doesn't quite fit, so we're cutting it down. The expensive mattress. So cut the mattresses. Now we're gonna put the cover back on and hopefully it doesn't look that bad. Yay. So we cut down my bed and now it's all done, and I put the covers back on because just because. And yeah, it's much nicer in here. It's so much more open. Hey. Here's what's coming up next week on Sailing Pacificae.
Are we can start laying the floor.
Can we?
Yeah,
we
we're
laying the
starting
floor?
right there.
Let's lay the floor! It really helps us a lot if you subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you again next week.